Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming OnePlus 9 Pro will have a charger in the box. The new video teaser revealed that the camera Iceland design. Earlier today, OnePlus announced that the date of announcement of its new next flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 9 series, and that is the March 23. The company also made its partnership with the Hassan Blade official, and a few hours later, we have the first official teaser of the upcoming OnePlus 9 Pro posted on a Twitter by OnePlus itself. As you can see, the money shoot is that the end when we catch a glimpse of what essentially at the top half of the back of the OnePlus 9 Pro. And would you look at that, the leaks were accurate yet again, as the look exactly like some of the leakage shoot prototyped. There are four cameras, three, and a prominent Hasselblad logo. OnePlus CEO Petty Liv has also confirmed in a booth English and Chinese that the company upcoming phone will ship with a charger in the box of the ultra fast wrap variety. That's a somewhat of the relief in these day and age when other manufacturers are starting to frog charger. So according to the leaked images properly showing that the about screens of the both OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, the former will have a triple camera system and the later will have a quad camera system. The only difference seems to be presence of an 8 megapixel telephoto snapper on the OnePlus 9 Pro model. That 2 megapixel shooter is probably just a deep sensor. Otherwise, as we expected, both phones are powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset and have 8 gigs of RAM alongside with a 128 gigs of storage and 120 Hz fluid AMOLED display. Although the 9s the OnePlus 9s is 6.55 inch while the Pro is 6.7 inch. The device will run Android 11 with Oxygen OS on top, and the model number are apparently LE2113 for the 9 and LE2123 for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Battery capacity might 4500 mAh for both with 65-volt fast charging. So this is the upcoming latest news about the upcoming OnePlus 9 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone? I also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.